Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Rumi and today I'm going to be sharing with you a diet plan which you should be taking only during your periods. So a lot of you guys have DM'd me on my Instagram asking me what you should be eating during your periods. So this video is only for that purpose. But first of all, thank you so much for your awesome love and support towards my weight loss journey video. And it motivated me so much. I have decided to continue, and if you guys have not yet watched that video, I will link it in the description box below. That video was how to lose 10 kg in 15 days review, and I will also link Fat to Fab channel in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. So because of your motivation, I have decided to continue on my weight loss journey, and I am also filming it. So this time I am again following a diet from Fat to Fab, and it is how to lose 10 kg in 1 month. It will be up soon on my channel real soon, and I will also be showing you what exercise I am doing, and it's really helping me to lose weight. So that video will also be up on my channel real soon, so keep on tuned to my channel. And if you have not yet subscribed, you guys already know so much awesome stuff is happening on my channel, and I'm sure you don't want to miss on it, so subscribe. Enough of my blabbering, let me just go ahead and start this video. So first of all, let me go ahead and tell you what you should not be eating during these 3 to 4 days. So during your periods, you should not be having any curd or dahi, lassi and raw milk as such. You can have milk in your tea or coffee, that is okay. And no citrus fruits, because somehow increases the blood flow and we don't want to be more uncomfortable during these days, right? So no citrus, no pineapple, no lemon water, no detox water, and also no mint. You can have apple, papaya, pears, that's okay. So yeah, and one more thing, I'm not doing any exercise during these 3 to 4 days, because I have usually heavy periods during my second and third day, so I like to be comfortable, and I don't want to hurt myself more. So I am not doing any exercise, but it depends on you. If you guys want, you can do moderate exercise, whatever you feel like. It's my personal choice, and I don't prefer to do any exercise on those days. So yeah, that's all. And so yeah, let's just check out what I am eating throughout these 3 to 4 days. So this is going to be my morning drink for all the upcoming 3 to 4 days. It's just a bay leaf dipped in 1 cup of water, which I have soaked overnight, and then I have went ahead and warmed it a little bit. And this is the first thing which I'm going to be having every day for the rest 3 to 4 days. It's 10 a.m. in the morning, time for my mid-breakfast. So here I'm going to have one red Washington apple. I cannot have citrus fruit because as you guys might be knowing, citrus fruits are not good during these days, and as they cause heavy flow. And don't forget to add 1 teaspoon of ghee, half chopped onion, 2 green chilies chopped, 2 pods of garlic chopped, and then I'm going to use some veggies. So here I have half bottle gourd or loki chopped and little bit of kaddu or pumpkin chopped. And to it, I already went ahead and added the veggies which I had from earlier. And now I will go ahead and add all the roasted quinoa. Again, give it a very good stir. And I will use it here. And to it, I'm using almost like a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, very little. Now I'll go ahead and cook it on medium high heat, and I'll cook it covered for the next 20 to 25 minutes until all the water has been absorbed by the quinoa. So it's 5 p.m. in the evening, and so it's time for my evening tea. So here I am going to have black tea. Along with it, I have added 2 sugar-free tablets, and here I'm going to have some makhanas and walnut. So walnuts and caffeine is very good during periods, and it helps to ease the pain and regulates easy blood flow. So yeah, these you should definitely include in your evening snack time during your periods. So it's 7 p.m. in the evening, time for my dinner. So here I'm going to have this bowl of papayas for dinner. So today is day 2, and this is what my breakfast looks like. I'm going to have 1 cup of bay leaf water, and for breakfast this is what my meal looks like. So I'm going to have 1 bowl of brown rice along with some vegetables and 1 teaspoon of ghee. Don't forget your ghee, guys. It's very, very important. You already know the benefits of ghee. Good for your joints, good for your body, and also gives you strength. This is the ghee which I'm using. Ghee is Indian clarified butter, and if you don't have access to it, you can easily make it using unsalted butter. Many videos are already in the YouTube. That's how my breakfast looks like. Okay, so it's 12 p.m. In the afternoon, and I'm going to have my lunch. So this is what my lunch looks like. I'm going to have 2 besan chilas. As you guys might already be knowing, besan is a little bit hot, and it produces heat in the body, so it's very good to be eaten during this time. It is very easy to make. You can find lots of recipes on YouTube. So I just used little bit of besan, made a paste out of it, and then I added chopped green chilies, chopped onion, little bit of dhania powder, turmeric, little bit salt, and little bit of garam masala, and my besan chila is ready. Today is the second day, and on the second day I'm having the same evening tea along with makhanas and some walnuts, but here I have added a chocolate brownie which is made up of dark chocolate. So yeah, it has very less sugar, and again it's made of pure cocoa powder. So again, caffeine, very good for heavy periods, helps to ease out all the pain and helps to regulate easy flow. So yeah, only on the second day you are supposed to have a piece of dark chocolate brownie. Otherwise, rest days your evening tea should look like this. Okay, so today is day 3 and it's time for my breakfast. So I already went ahead and had my bay leaf or tej patta water, and so for my breakfast I'm going to have cabbage sabzi along with 2 rotis. So yeah, this is simple cabbage sabzi along with some moong dal. So yeah, that's what I'm going to have for my breakfast, and I'm feeling really weak today, so I'll be having the same for my lunch as well. So it's 7 p.m. and it's time for my dinner. So for dinner I'm going to have a few slices of papaya. I am pretty full because of my lunch. I had chapatis and cabbage sabzi, so today I'm going to have just this. So yeah. So yeah, that's all for my diet plan during periods. And as far as my honest review, I would say black tea really helped, and having a proper meal which was healthy and filling as well. It really helped. Ghee really helped, and I would say I had only warm water or normal temperature water, so that helped as well. And not having any detox water or lemon water or any citrus fruit, it really helped as well. So overall, this diet was a huge success for me, and I would recommend it to all the girls out there. Even if you are on your diet or not, I would say you guys can go ahead and definitely give it a try. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with all your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. My next weight loss journey video, diet plan and exercise, both are coming up real soon, and if you don't want to miss on that, don't forget to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, bye bye, and have a beautiful day ahead, and stay safe, guys. Keep on drinking lots of water. Keep yourself hydrated. Don't lose your energy. Don't lose your hope. We all are in this together. Thank you. Bye.